Welcome to this demonstration of Global O-Ring and Seal's Chemical Compatibility Tool. In this video, we'll guide you through using our Chemical Compatibility Tool to identify the chemicals compatible with our most common materials. Once on the page, we'll select the chemicals relevant to our application. There are over 2,000 chemicals to choose from on our list, and several ways to find them to select. You can search for them by name in the top search bar. You can scroll through the list and select, or you can select the letter the chemical name starts with to jump to that section. Once the chemicals are selected, the tool uses a color-coded system to rate our most common O-ring materials against chemicals. Look for rows that are all green or a combination of green and yellow to identify suitable materials. Consider the general cost and recommended temperature range, as these factors are also essential when selecting the material. After identifying the suitable materials, click on the material name to see detailed information on all available compounds we offer in that material. You can filter this table to find precisely what you need, like specific product types or durometer ranges. Finally, click on the compound name to go to our online store, where you can see all of the items we offer in that compound. You can filter and explore the store to find the perfect O-ring for your application. Once you do, you can add the item to your cart and continue shopping or checkout. Global O-Ring and Seal's Chemical Compatibility Tool makes choosing the proper O-ring material for any application effortless, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Please contact our team if you have any questions or need further assistance.